In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert screen into Mockup in Figma, Craftwork Mockups. By the end, you'll have a clean, high-quality mockup that showcases your design in the perfect device frame. Start by opening your design in Figma. It helps to keep your main screen in a clearly labeled frame, since the plugin looks for frames when it pulls in your UI. If your design spans multiple frames, take a moment to decide which one you want to showcase. Next, install the Mockup plugin if you haven't already. Right-click anywhere on the canvas. Go to Plugins, then Manage Plugins. In the search bar, type Mockup and look for the Craftwork Mockups option. Click to install. If you already have it, great, you can skip the install and launch it directly from the Plugins menu. Installing from the canvas ensures Figma recognizes it in your current file. Launch the plugin and you'll see a library of device frames, phones, laptops, tablets, and more. Browse through and choose the device that best matches the context of your design. If your UI is mobile, pick the appropriate phone model and orientation. For web designs, a laptop or desktop frame usually tells the story best. Consider the aspect ratio and perspective so your screen fits naturally without heavy cropping. Once you've selected a device, the plugin will show a plus button or an Add Image area on the screen placeholder. Click that, and select the frame containing your UI design. If you don't see your frame listed, double-check that it's actually a frame, not just a group, and that it's visible on the page. After your screen loads into the mockup, use the built-in cropping and positioning tools to fine-tune the fit. Pan, zoom, and nudge until the corners align with the device edges. Pay attention to safe areas, like notches and rounded corners. And make sure critical UI elements aren't being clipped. A small zoom adjustment can make the difference between a cramped look and a polished presentation. When you are happy with the placement, click Paste to render the final high-quality image onto your Figma canvas. The result is a flattened image inside your file. So if you want to make changes later, just relaunch the plugin, update your frame, and paste again. A helpful workflow is to keep your original design frame nearby, so iterating is quick and consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.